also enjoying the 100 days of code. I know that, okay? I know that, okay? And now, today's class, we learn about tuples, okay? We learn about tuples, okay? And what we learn about list, okay? List. What was quite useful, okay? We learn about a lot of methods for list and also learn what else can we do with list. Okay, understand it later, I hope. Okay, so and now there comes out another data type in Python whose name is tuple, because you cannot what names of tuple, okay, and it is equally useful, okay, equally useful, because you cannot alter tuple, and it also has some important methods about which I tell you today. Now let's move to the computer screen, and now let's get started. As we learn about list, tuple is quite similar to list. Okay, understand it? So now I will tell you, but the difference is you cannot alter tuple. Okay. So now, and to create a tuple, what will I do this? Okay, I do something like this. I will be right here, like here I will be go and I write like tube should be that, and I use parentheses. Okay, parentheses. And now if I write here, I will be first of all write like here 1,5,6. Now if I write here print is type, like here I will be write like print and type also, and along with that if I print tube, so I get these three values and I get class tuple. Okay, understand it till here. So now like heaven I will be write like tube, and here I will be write like comma, so will be tube, and now till here my work is done, and what we can do, so now till here my work is done, so now I will be drawn like that, so you will be see the class tuple. I will be like want here, you will be see the class tuple is coming like that. So you will be understand it till here. So now I haven't write, I will be like erase it, and now I will be run. So now let's see. I will be run, and I have got 1,5, and this will be the same. Okay, here you will be see it. So now I hope you will be till here, you will be understand. And you say that I created it as a tuple of one element, like I erase it, and I will be create a one tuple element like that. And now what we can do, why it is showing, and so is this the biggest confusion. I will be tell you one thing, please listen, it is okay. Now you will say I created a tuple of one element, okay, of one element. Why is it showing class int? Like I will be run. Now why it will showing class int? I will be tell you, just wait. So now, so it is the biggest confusion of Python programmer. Okay, if you are creating a table with only one element, so you have to add a comma at the last. Okay, that if you are only given a single value in brackets and has an integer, or you are trying to create a tuple, okay, if you create a tuple, like I haven't write like comma, I will be tell you, and I will be CV. Okay, I will be write like that till here. So now you will understand. I will be write like till here. So now what we can do? So Python will be confused. And if you want to avoid this, you have to write it like one comma. Okay. So now so run this, and you see the class tuple, a tuple of single element will coming. I will be run. So here we will see it. The tuple and the one comma is coming. And okay, tuples are ordered collection of data items. They store multiple items in a single variable. Understand it till here, okay? Yes, so now what we can do, tuple items are separated by commas, and enclose it within round brackets. And here I will give you one example also. Here you will be see it. You will be learn it, okay? You will be learn it, and I will be give examples also, okay? You will be learn it this tuple I will be give you, okay? Tuples are unchangeable, which means you cannot change tuples, okay? Understand it till here, I hope. So now what we can do? But if this was a list, if, okay, so I could have done it like tube 0 in square bracket hashtag 90. Like I haven't write here. Like so I could here I will be write like tube. Sorry. And here I will be write like that, and here I will be write like tube. So it will be 0 hashtag 90. And I haven't write like that. Right. And this and that its index 0. That index 0 will have changed it. Will have changed it, okay? So I will be not write tube top, sorry, I will be write like tube, okay? So now I will be run it. So now like look here, look the here, so it will giving the error, but look Python is throw a type error. Tuple object does not support item assignment, okay? Understand it later, I hope. So now what we can do, I haven't tell you, I then have added a lot more values in it, and if I have run it, so now what we, if I run it, so now like haven't, you will be see I haven't run it. So oh look, the error is the same, relax, look, see, and now the errors will be same. And but how about it was a list? How about it was a list? I will be telling you this way. And now what we can do, I may have named it a tube, but actually it is a list. Like when I will be write like here, comma 2, comma 76, comma 342, comma 32, and now till I am get done. Understand it? And now here I will be write like that till here, and I will be write him in all to the square brackets. And now like I haven't write here, if I add a square bracket here, and its first value has been changed, like I haven't run. Now look, here we will see it. The first value will change it, and the 90 will coming like that, and here you will be see. I can change the list, but I can't change a tuple. Understand it, okay? So now I hope you will be understand it till here, but now you think why I use tuple when I can do the same with list and with benefits, okay? Understand it till here. So no, okay, so now till here my work is done. So I will be tell you all things step by step, like you will be learn like till here. So now what we can do? No, okay, sometimes you internationally want things to not to change, okay? Like I haven't write like comment and comment out. Sometimes you internationally want, for example, let's suppose you want to create a constant list which you don't want to change even by mistake, okay? Even by mistake, okay? So now and you are working on a quite complex program. You want anyone not to change this even by mistake, okay? In the case you use a tuple, okay? So I given an example of tuple and I have printed them here. You will be see it. I will given one example of that, okay? So tuple is also the same. If I add a value in it. If I add a string in it, okay. So what we can do here, I will be write like I will be put a string in it, like here I will be write like green, and I will be run it. So I will be run it like that, and the string will also be printed here, okay. And so you can see the class is tuple, but it is printing something like this. Here you will be see it is printing something like this, okay. I hope this is understandable to you, okay, understandable to you, and rest of the things are same except the fact that you can't you can't alter it. Okay, you can add more values in it of different data type. Okay, understand it till here. So now, but you cannot alter it. Okay, like I haven't write like here, comma, sorry, comma should be true. Like heaven, I will be write like that. And what we can do now, let's suppose if I write like here, print should be in square, and here I will be write like tube, and square bracket here I will be write like 0. So now like heaven, I will be write like that, and then if I print it like many times like 1, and here I will be write like 1 and 2 and 3. And here I will be write like that. When I print tube 34, like here I will be write like 34. So it throw the error, like I throw the error because index 34 doesn't exist. Okay, doesn't exist. And now you will be understand it till here, I hope. But you can program till here, and you see till here your program will be run till here, and you see 1 to 76. Okay, so which are present on the index 0, index 1 and index 2. This is how we can do indexing of a tuple. So positive indexing and negative indexing are same as we learned for a list. Let's suppose if someone has given you tuple -1 and 3 plus 2 equals to 5 and 5 minus 1 equals to 4. So it is 4. So I will be there, and 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, it's 4. Okay. In fact, I calculated wrong length. I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry. Like here I will be go, and here I will be write like 1. So here we will be write like let's print the length. Double click length, and now here I will be go, and now let's print the length, and here I will be write like. Let me print it length and check out how much it is. Like here I will be write like print should be length should be tube, and now I haven't write like that. And 7 minus 6, here I will say 7 minus 6. And now, here I will be write like that. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that's why true was printed, like I run it. So now you will be like see it. So the true will be printed, and I will be comment out that this 34, okay, because, okay, right. And now you will be look here, the true is coming like here, and now you will be see this is how we can solve the negative indexing as we learn in the case of list. Understand it? In 342 in tube, print yes 342 is present in this tuple. Okay, understand it till here, and now I hope you will be understand it till here. I hope so. Now till here my work is done, and like here the true is it will giving like the true. Here you will be seeing here the class will be list, and here it is giving like a true. Here you will be see it, and now till here my work is done. So what we can do? So like I haven't told you like till here. So I hope you can enjoy this class and try to do slicing and your revision. And okay, you will be revision. Okay, please try to revision this all the things, and I will be tell you. Okay, so now I hope you can enjoy this class. Enjoy, like that video, share your friends, subscribe to my channel. Please access my playlist. Yes, okay. So now I will meet you in next very amazing class for today. So I will meet you next time.